Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. Today we have this PS4 which I acquired for $25 on eBay. It is broken, but it hasn't been described how it's broken. So we don't know what's wrong with it. But we can see that two security screws are missing, but these two are intact. Right, so it has been partially opened. I don't think you can remove the motherboard without taking these two screws. Second thing that I see is, yeah, it's not supposed to be doing that. It's not put together correctly. You can see it also here. We have a screw missing over here. This screw, and we have a screw that holds the HDD missing. Let's see. And this is 500 gigs, 5400 RPM. Okay, actually we can remove that. So this is as far as we can tell. Okay, this looks like that's probably why it's not sitting right, but that's fine. Okay, no other screws missing here, so it looks like maybe someone just took this cover off. Yeah, because there's no way to remove the board, or at least no way to remove it safely if you don't take the back cover off, right? Because you have to disconnect the power supply to get the board out. So this is curious. Shouldn't there supposed to be a Wi-Fi antenna here? Maybe I'm thinking of a different model. Okay, let's take it apart and take a look at the board. Let's take a look at the HDMI. Yep, pins are bent. Two pins are pushed in. Yeah, so yeah, HDMI port is definitely busted. So if this is the only issue with it, we should be able to replace the HDMI port, and this should work. Let's see. Crap load of liquid damage. Sticky liquid damage. So this is not looking good. Flex cable disconnected. And everything is sticky. Oh, here's the antenna. Okay, so all good. There's a game inside. Huh. Okay, it's very dirty. The thermal paste is completely done, completely dry. Well, not completely dry. Yeah, there's some liquid here, but The thermal paste needs to be replaced. Other than that, I don't really see anything here. Other than the dirt, it's obviously very dirty, dusty. So it doesn't look like it's been opened. There's the liquid damage. Well, not liquid damage, the liquid. The dirt from liquid. I don't see any corrosion. Okay, so it did boot, or started. Well, started. It says it cannot start without the controller, which is weird. It should, right? So once I do have a controller, I will check it out. But this CD doesn't seem to be working. I'm not sure how to even remove it. How do you remove the CD? You can't. There's no button. Okay. That's nice. There might be a button actually. There should be a way to remove the CD, but I'm not worried about that. This was miserable because again, I already ordered the new or more PS4 HDMI ports, like from 4 places. Because this one doesn't really align with the pins. I have to use the pliers to kind of bend those ground pins a little, so it moves. It's like, I don't know, like 1 millimeter off, maybe a millimeter and a half. So not a significant difference. Actually, maybe even less than a millimeter. It looks a lot bigger under the microscope, obviously, but it doesn't align. So either this is like really crappy PS4 HDMI port, or it's intended for maybe Slim or Pro. I don't know. I do have a Slim coming as well pretty soon. Actually, today or tomorrow it should be delivered. So I'll see if this one is gonna fit on the Slim, because most likely it's gonna be the same issue. The HDMI port busted because I don't know, these break a lot. But technically, it seems to be working, at least to this point. I wonder why it says it cannot start. No idea. This is pretty much the first PS4 repairing, or you know, I had PS4s for HDMI replacement, HDMI port replacement. That's pretty much all we did over here, plus some liquid damage cleaning. It was damaged with the sweet liquid, so the best solution to clean the sweet liquid is to use alcohol 70%, not 90 or 99%, because that 30% water perfectly dissolves the sugar, and it's nicely cleaned with the alcohol. But all right, it looks like this one will work, or at least that is my hope. 25 bucks plus 25 or 20 bucks for shipping came out to, plus tax, a little, like 50 bucks. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it, because I can get like what, $130, $140 for it maybe, minus the port. So there's a little bit of money to be made on it. But on the other hand, maybe I'll just keep it for my son. Yeah, I've never had a PlayStation, like ever. Never in my life. I had a Commodore, I had Atari, but I never had Nintendo or Sony. Um, so maybe this will be the first Sony device that I will own. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed my misery. This was very painful repair. I also did some testing of different wicks. It's very hard to find a good wick. That's why this is my truly good wick that I use mainly just for customer boards, because it's very hard to find a good wick that will actually soak the solder nicely. Alrighty, thank you guys very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.